This is Jay Arthur. In this session, we'll cover how to hide and unhide workbooks, worksheets, columns, and rows. Sometimes you want to be able to hide things in Microsoft Excel so that people can't find them. So the first thing we could do is we have this big workbook here with all these data sheets in it. I could actually make that invisible if I wanted to, just by clicking on View, Hide. And that would actually make that whole workbook disappear. And so you can actually have an invisible workbook that opens or closes behind the scenes if you need to. So I'm going to unhide that again. And it'll show you all the things that can be hidden. Now, if you look down here, you'll also notice that we have some other particular sheets down here. If you right-click on that sheet name and choose Hide, it'll hide that sheet. And then you can right-click on any of the other sheets and choose Unhide, and that sheet will reappear. Alright, so we can hide sheets, we can hide workbooks, and we can also hide columns and rows. If you want to hide some columns, again, the easiest thing is to select that column and then right-click on the column itself, and you can choose Hide. Or you can choose Unhide. Alright? So we might have to select both sides of the thing and choose Unhide, and it'll show those again. And we can do that same thing with rows. Right-click on the actual row number there and choose Hide, and it'll hide 7, 8, and 9. And then we want to actually go unhide all of those. So I'm going to select those on either side and unhide. You can also do this from the pull-down menu up here under Home. You can choose Format, hide and unhide, and say hide rows, hide columns, hide sheet, or unhide rows, columns, and sheets. Alright, so that's how easy it is to unhide those rows and hide those rows. It's really simple, but sometimes you want to make things invisible so people cannot accidentally make a mistake with them. So that's how easy it is to hide and unhide workbooks, worksheets, rows, and columns in Microsoft Excel.